Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install super fast VPN on your smartphone. So if you use iPhone, then go to App Store. If you use Android phone, then go to Google Play Store. So this time I am using Google Play Store, so need to tap on the Google Play Store application. And after that, tap here on the search box and type the word super VPN fast and then enter. Then you can see the option super VPN fast VPN client. If you type the full word, then you will get this one. I already installed it in my device, so that's why it's see uninstall and open button. If you didn't install, then you will see install button, so simply tap on the install button. It takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.